everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new video where I will be sharing a project which I made recently. It's an album with Ciao papers. And please note the video is not complete tutorial showing how to create the album, but I will show some of the steps I usually take to create the album, and also I will create one of the pages and the cover so you can see that, you can have an idea what I usually do when I'm making the albums. I just didn't record the whole process because I was doing that over 2 days and one part in the evening, so I wasn't able to record that. But I hope you will enjoy the video. I also want to show you those beautiful papers I created the album with. So I used 12 by 12 paper pack from Ciao and also A4 pack, which is more like album journal pack, I think, because there is lots of beautiful elements which you can cut out with your scissors, and the colors are just my colors. so pretty. So I will show you that quickly, and then I will just turn the music on so you can have a look what I was doing, and I hope you will enjoy that video. So I hope you have an idea now what steps to take to create an album, how to approach it. It's a big project to make, but I guarantee you it's just so rewarding. It's really, really nice to see the complete piece. So if you will ever have a chance, just have a go, do it, and especially if you can find the papers with lots of beautiful elements, that will make your works easier. So thank you very, very much for today, for watching and visiting my channel, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got many card making, flower making, some of mixed media videos, so I hope you will find something for you. Thanks a lot and have a lovely day. Bye bye.